Samsung has been talking about its foldable display technology for years, and now we're finally going to get a first look at its first foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Fold. The phone will cost nearly $2,000 when it launches on April 26th. Let's take a look at what's inside. Whoa, so here we have it. This is finally it, the Galaxy Fold. It really does look like a tablet. It's 7.3 inches, just about the same size. It's a bit smaller than an iPad mini. And this is kind of what it looks like when you're in the process of folding it. There's this hinge, this little crease that forms along the middle. So when it's folded, it does feel a little bit thick, and I think what surprised me the most, just taking this out of the box, is how long it is for a phone. It's still easy to use with one hand, and that screen is a bit small compared to most smartphones. But when you open it up and use it in tablet mode, it feels really light for a tablet. The Galaxy Fold also comes with a case as well. And this is really important because since the phone is so unique and has such a rare design, I imagine it's not going to be that easy to find a case for it. So Samsung includes one in the box. So we have 3 cameras right here, which are essentially the same cameras that you'll find on the Galaxy S10. Even though there's this hinge right here in the middle, it really looks pretty seamless when you're actually looking at the screen. I'm really excited to see what else is in the box, so let's dig in. So here we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds. These are also the new wireless headphones that Samsung announced when it unveiled the Fold. And these are basically like Samsung's competitors to AirPods. They're completely wireless. It's really nice that Samsung is throwing this in with the Galaxy Fold. And we also have your standard charger right here. And we also have your charging cable. Pretty standard stuff. It's really the Galaxy Buds that are the cool and interesting thing that we have in the box. The adapter that goes between USB and USB-C. So because the Galaxy Fold has such a big display compared to most smartphones, you can actually run 3 apps at the same time on screen. So we're going to try this right now with Google Chrome, and then all you have to do is slide over, and then you get this little sidebar here with other apps that you can also open on screen. So now I have my web browser and my calendar open at the same time, and then you just slide over again one more time, and you can pick another app. So let's go with the photo gallery. So there you have it. It's an early look at the Samsung Galaxy Fold. We're looking forward to spending more time with this phone and giving you guys our final impressions really soon.